Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox volume not working. First, let's start with the most straightforward checks. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most effective. Make sure your computer's overall sound is not muted, and double-check the volume mixer for Roblox specifically. Confirm your headphones or speakers are plugged in securely and functioning correctly, as loose connections can often be the culprit. Next, dive directly into Roblox's in-game audio options. Access the Settings menu, often found by clicking the Roblox icon while playing, then select the Sound or Audio tab. Here, you will find the master volume control. Ensure it is not completely off or unusually low. You might also notice individual sound effect or music sliders, which can be adjusted for a balanced experience. If the in-game settings seem fine, let's look at your device and its drivers. Outdated audio drivers are a common cause of sound issues, so updating them is a wise step. A simple computer restart can also magically resolve many temporary glitches and conflicts. If the problem persists, try connecting a different audio output device, like another headset, to rule out a hardware malfunction. For more stubborn volume problems, consider some advanced troubleshooting. A full reinstallation of the Roblox application can often resolve corrupted files that impact sound. You can also try clearing your Roblox cache, which might remove problematic temporary data. If all else fails, do not hesitate to reach out to Roblox's official customer support, as they can provide specific guidance for your unique situation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.